de fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto la más demanda. Más si vienes a mi cama.
Hi everyone, this is SettleFlow. We are building a system to solve one of the most common problems in B2B trade, that is delayed payments. In most B2B businesses, sellers give credit to buyers, but payments rarely come on time. This blocks cash flow and forces seller to constantly chase payments. So here comes the SettleFlow. SettleFlow introduces automated payment discipline using a rolling security deposit enforced through smart contracts without changing how business already trade. Let me quickly walk you through how SettleFlow works.
No me aguanto, mi cama.
This is the wholesaler dashboard, which focuses on risk visibility and control. At the top, we can see the outstanding exposure, total security deposit locked, retailers at risk, and the penalties applied. Here we can see each retailer's outstanding amount, deposit, deadline, and the risk level that are categorized as low, medium, or high. If a retailer misses a deadline, so the wholesaler can trigger a penalty, which is enforced directly by the smart contract. Here the backend decides when a penalty is applied, but the blockchain enforces it automatically. This is the retailer dashboard focused on awareness and compliance. Retailers can see their outstanding amount, security deposit, upcoming payment details, current risk status. The risk indicator clearly shows whether a penalty is approaching, encouraging the timely payments. Now, this section visually shows how the security deposit compares with the outstanding exposure, making the system transparent and fair. SettleFlow creates a fair and the automated way to enforce the payment discipline in the B2B trade without relying on trust, manual follow ups, or the price changes. SettleFlow enforces the B2B payment discipline automatically using the decentralized escrow without changing the existing trade workflow.